everybody, welcome back to another video about free coin. Guys, in this video once again I'm talking about the urgent update of the free coin. But before starting this video, I hope you are feeling good about free coin, and I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Free coin holders back up in the market. It's time to celebrate. It's time to make a huge profit. Guys, the currently live and latest price of the free coin in the market is 0.00003 USD dollar. That is the currently live and latest price of the free coin in the market. And on the other hand, if you do the changes occur in the free coin, so now guys, the last 1 hour changes you can see, my friends. I'm very happy to see unbelievable changes occur in the free coin. And now, my friends, the most profitable coin in the market is a free coin, because you can see here the price of the free coin is very low, and on the other hand, if you look the changes occur in the free coin, so the changes is positive. That's why I'm telling you that free coin is a profitable coin in the market. And absolutely, if you want to buy more and more free coins, so that's a really good idea for all of you. If you hold free coin just for to the end of August, if you hold, so there is no doubt that they will make you millionaire. They will make you million. They will give you a huge profit. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.